Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change 2023 Honda Accord windshield wipers. Start by parking on a flat surface and turning off the ignition to lock the wipers in rest position. Lift the wiper arms carefully and place a protective cloth on the glass. Remove the old blades by pressing the release tab and sliding them off. Prepare the new blades by matching the connector type, then attach them until they click securely. In this video, I will explain how to change 2023 Honda Accord windshield wipers. Carefully lift the arm and keep it steady so it does not snap back. Press the connector tab and slide the old blade off the hook with a steady motion. Inspect the arm tip for rust or damage before installing the new blade. Keep the removed blades for proper disposal and avoid touching the rubber edge with greasy hands. In this video, I will review how to change 2023 Honda Accord windshield wipers. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading car manuals and how-to guides while you work, and it fits easily on a workbench. If you like this tip, please subscribe and hit like to support more practical videos. Be sure to check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you change 2023 Honda Accord windshield wipers. Align the new blade connector with the hook and slide it into place until you hear a click. Gently lower the arm and blade onto the glass to prevent damage. Turn on the wipers and cycle through low and high speed to check for streaks or unusual noise. If you notice skipping, recheck alignment, or consider replacing both blades together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.